You know, a lot of people think that cassava, plantain, banana, maize, peanuts, also known as groundnuts, pepper, that's chili pepper, tomatoes, are originally African foods. But the truth is, they are not our indigenous food. They came into the continent after the Europeans arrived through what we call the Columbian exchange. So the question now is, if these foods are brought into the continent by the whites, what were our forefathers eating before the arrival of the white man? So in West Africa, places like Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, Cameroon, the indigenous tables were yam, sorghum, millet, fonio, palm oil, egusi, okra, leafy green, amongst others. And then for protein, they had fish, goat's meat, local chickens, and the most common one then was bushmeat. Then in Ethiopia, they had teff, the grain that makes injera, inse, the false banana. They also had lentils, chickpeas, and barley. Across the continent, you also find foods like baobab fruits, kola nuts, shea nuts, and native tubers. It was after contact with a white man that cassava, chili pepper, maize, tomatoes, peanuts, among others, came in. And now they feel like they've always been ours. So, whenever we talk about African foods, we are actually talking about a mix of indigenous traditions and centuries of global exchange. That's why our African cuisine is very rich and diverse.